Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Invoice. Let's dive right into setting up your account and creating your first client profile. You'll learn to navigate the dashboard, customize your settings, and understand the basic workflow for efficient invoicing. We'll cover adding essential business details and ensuring your invoices reflect your brand professionally from the start. This foundational knowledge will streamline your billing process significantly. Creating an invoice is straightforward. First, input your client's information and then add the services or products you're billing for, including quantities and rates. Zoho Invoice allows you to personalize templates with your logo and brand colors, making every invoice uniquely yours. Once ready, you can send it directly through email or generate a secure link to share, ensuring your clients receive it promptly and professionally. Managing payments and understanding your financial health is crucial. You can easily record payments as they come in or integrate with popular online payment gateways for automated processing. Zoho Invoice also provides robust reporting tools, giving you insights into sales, expenses, and potential tax liabilities. For ongoing services, setting up recurring invoices saves you time and ensures consistent billing for your regular clients. Beyond the basics, Zoho Invoice offers powerful advanced features to streamline your operations. You can accurately track time spent on projects, ensuring precise billing for your services. For global businesses, managing multiple currencies is seamless, simplifying international transactions. Remember, a clean workspace helps clear your mind for business. Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home spotless. These tools help you focus on what truly matters, growing your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.